semi-automatic washing machine. Most economical, lowest water and energy consumption, involves manual effort. Capacity 7 kilograms, suitable for families with 3 to 4 members. Warranty, 2 years on product, 2 years on motor. 1450 rpm, higher the spin speed, faster the drying time. Wash programs, 3. Special features, smart scrub station. Now stand tall and scrub without the painful bending, while the flow back design allows water and detergent to flow back into the wash tub. Waterproof panel. The control panel is smartly designed to be protected from water seeping inside. 66L large wash tub. The large wash tub with the deep wash 66L system washes with the highest volume of water. 66L. Clothes now move freely, giving the best dirt removal.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.
Subscribe JP Store channel, click bell button. 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 Subscribe JP Store channel, click bell